Hello, folks, welcome back. Today I will explain another strategy similar to the previous one, and this strategy will yield profits for you for 80% of the time. I am saying it because I have traded this strategy myself, and my experience with this strategy is quite superb. So, we will get started without wasting the time. This strategy is called as the engulfing candlestick trading strategy. The first point of this strategy is engulfing bars offer good opportunities whenever it appears on support, resistance, flip zones and trend lines. So as I said, this is quite similar to the previous strategy, which was the pin bar candlestick trading pattern strategy. Because of the reason that whenever these both appear on support, resistance, flip zones and trend lines, they will yield profits for you for most of the time. The second point is, for this strategy, a trader doesn't need to identify a clear uptrend or downtrend. It provides good opportunities in those trending markets too, but it also gives best entries in ranging market. And as I have said, ranging market is also called as side trend, consolidating market and choppy market. So, the third point is, the best thing to do in side trend is to buy from support when an engulfing candle appears. And when the engulfing candle appears on resistance, we will have to sell it. This is extremely simple strategy and there is nothing complicated here. Let's move toward the fourth point, and I believe this is one of the most important point of this strategy. So I highly recommend you to take notes of these points or you take screenshots. It will guide you in the future as well. The fourth point is, the best engulfing candlesticks to trade are the one which appear on clear zones and level. And most importantly, where its body size is larger among the previous 10 candlesticks. So you will have to remember this point, the fourth one, and especially the last line. Most importantly, where its body size is larger among the previous 10 candlesticks. And the last one is, using pending orders for such an entry is highly recommended. And I will show you in a short video how to set pending orders. But before taking you to the charts, I will show you simple illustration as I always do to have you better understanding of engulfing bars. I have explained engulfing bars in the previous videos too, but if you are new to the video, this illustration will help you. So the one at the left is bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. There's one, and it is bearish because it completely engulfs the previous body, the previous candlestick body, the green one. So it is called as bearish engulfing. Okay. The one at the right side is called as bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It is called as bullish because it turned the market from downside to upside. And you can see the green candle has completely engulfed the previous red candle. That is why it is called as bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Now I will take you to the charts to show you examples of how to trade it. So as you can see, the first point is, engulfing bars offer good opportunities whenever it appears on support, resistance, flip zones and trend lines. So this is our example. You can see the market was completely down and the market formed a low here, which is meant to act as a support. Whenever the market will come to this area, the market will act as a support. So you can see this is the support area, and here the market formed bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. You can also see the body size of this bullish candle is larger among the previous 10 candlesticks. Let's count it. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th and 10th. So this is how we're gonna trade engulfing candlesticks. You can see the move after this formation. The market moved almost 900 pips just after the formation of engulfing candlestick. Here again the market made a high here, which is gonna act as the resistance. You can see the market tested this area and formed this bearish engulfing candlestick just on resistance area. Let's count the candles too. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th and 10th. And you can see the body size of this engulfing candlestick is larger among the previous 10 candlesticks. We will also see the market move. Market almost moved 900 pips just after the formation of this candlestick, bearish engulfing at resistance area. So these were the examples of support area and resistance area, and how to trade engulfing bars on those zones. Now I will show you example of flip zone. As we can see, the market was down, made a low here, and once the market broke this low, now this low is meant to act as a resistance, but we will not trade it immediately. When the market reach this area, we will not trade it immediately. We will wait for confirmation. So here you can see what was the confirmation. The bearish engulfing candlestick, which completely engulfed the previous candlestick, you can see. And the market moved almost 660 pips just after the formation of engulfing bar at flip zone. I will show you another examples. This was also a low. The market broke this point, and we can also draw this area too. You can see these both are flip zones. So what did the market? The market formed this bearish engulfing candlestick, and just after its formation on flip zone, we can see the move. The market moved 360 pips. So keep in mind, whenever the market moved, there must be an engulfing bar below it or above it. Here are other examples too. Let's see, I find another one. This was the support area, you can see, and I have identified it earlier recording the video, and you can see the one in the middle is engulfing bar. And just after its formation, the market moved almost 600 pips. So there will be other examples too. You can see this one is also example of bearish engulfing bar. and you can see the move and its body count. It's larger than the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's almost larger than among the previous 20-30 candlesticks, and that's why the market moved greatly. Market almost moved 600 pips. So we are having plenty of examples here. I recommend you to backtest this strategy, practice it, and one thing I promise, this strategy will yield most profits for you and most of the time. So see you in another video. Take care.